Meron akong question sa inyo. Okay? Pag nag-duty ba kayo sa ER or sa ward, no? Nag-rounds kayo, is PhilHealth in the hospital? Can you please type yes? Yung mga empleyado ba ni PhilHealth at yung mga doktor ng PhilHealth, nandun ba sa hospital? Okay? Type yes if you think nandyan sila. Type no if you think wala. Okay? Yung doktor ng PhilHealth, yung empleyado, nandyan ba sila? Okay? So, si Doc Din, yes. Okay. Mike, yes. Okay. What about the others? May I know? No. Doktora Sunshine. What about the others? Okay. Yes. Okay. O sige. Ganito ho. Okay. Wala hong taga PhilHealth dyan sa hospital ninyo. May PhilHealth office. Pero wala hong empleyado ng PhilHealth dyan. Except for yung P-Cares, which is they are there at times and they are not there. Okay? My point is this. Wala hong taga PhilHealth who is actually monitoring you. When the doctors do their rounds, when you manage patients, PhilHealth employees are not there. They will not be on your side. When you make little debridement, suturing, okay, or when you intubate patients, when you interview patients, they are not there. So, I want you to understand number 2. Yung number 2 ho, ang ibig sabihin, they will pay if you can produce quality services. Now, ano yung quality services? Paano nila malaman na may quality service dyan? Eh, wala naman sila sa hospital. Okay? Malinaw ha? They are not there. When the patients go for dialysis, they are not there. Okay? When Dr. will do rounds, they are not there. When Dr. will do a close reduction, they are not there. Okay? So, when Dr. performs a surgery sa OR, okay, PhilHealth will not scrub in. Ang point ko ho, okay, how, in God's name, will they know that you're doing quality services? Paano malaman ni PhilHealth na ang kayo, as nagjo-duty kayo as a POD, ROD, how will they know na quality services yung ginagawa nyo? Kasi sabi natin sa number 2, okay, PhilHealth will only pay, okay, for as long as the hospital can produce quality service. Eh, aber, unsaon man daw na, how will they know quality service? Very simple. Okay? The information ho, okay, that you put in the clinical chart is actually transferred into documents. Okay? Ulitin ko ha. Yung information na sinusulat ninyo sa chart, that is transcribed or transferred into, okay, PhilHealth claim forms. So, ang requirement ni PhilHealth po is mag-submit lang si hospital ng claim form. Okay? So, yun lang. Mag-submit lang ng claim form. Okay? They are not there. They are not there to check kung tama yung pag-suture mo. They are not there kung tama ba yung intubation mo. They are not actually there. So what will they do? Okay? They will just wait for that piece of paper. Saan galing yung piece of paper? Ginawa ng claims office. Anong basis ng claims office? Yung chart na ginawa ninyo. Okay? So I'll go back to the slide. Ang concept ho is wala sila sa hospital, okay? They are not there beside you, but the hospital will create a document para ipadala, okay, sa PhilHealth. Now, what will happen next? Number 3. Okay? Yung utilization management. Ang ibig sabihin lang po ng utilization management is that the document that the hospital will submit, babasahin nila. Basahon nila. Okay? They will read yung documents na ipadala. So, asan galing yung documents na pinadala? Galing sa claims office ni MC. How did MC create that? Galing ho yan sa clinical chart. Sino ang sumulat sa clinical chart? Kayo po. Okay? The reason that we're here right now is because all of you, okay, participate in putting information in the clinical chart. Now, as a resident or a POD, you are writing information on that clinical chart practically every time you go on duty. Okay? Tama ba? Okay? Can you please type tama? Okay? If tama yung statement ko. when you go on duty, pag nag-duty ho kayo, you put in information in the clinical chart. Okay? Tama ba? Okay? Can you please write tama? No if hindi. Okay, tama. Okay, thank you. So, if you go on duty at sige kayo sulat doon, yung sinusulat ninyo, part of it is actually being transcribed or transferred into a claim form. So, sino ang nag-transfer? Yung nasa claims office. So, pag isubmit nila kay PhilHealth, babasahin ni PhilHealth. So, ang question ngayon, tama ba yung mga sinulat ninyo? Okay? Tama bang mga sinulat ninyo? Okay? Sa tingin ninyo. Sa tingin nyo lang. Okay? Question. Since PhilHealth will read, okay, the documents that was given by MCDC, saan ang galing yung information ng documents? Galing sa chart na kamo ang nagsulat. Question. Ang sinulat nyo tama? So, kung sa tingin ninyo tama, please type number 1. Kung sa tingin ninyo partly tama, type number 2. Kung sa tingin ninyo mali, type number 3. Sige daw. May I know? We have number 1. Thank you, Doc. Partly. Thank you for the honesty. Okay, thank you, Doc. Partly. Okay. So, thank you very much. Sa tinood lang, I don't blame you. Why? You were not trained to do it. Okay? You were never trained to do it. So, even Dr. Bal, even the other clinicians, okay, I would say, ang reply nila dyan is also partly. Okay? So, oops, sorry. I'll go back to the slide. Yan po. So, now, ang slide ho, yung ibig sabihin lang dito, ang binabayad ni PhilHealth sa MC, sa mga doktor at sa inyo as POD, galing yan sa public funds. Dahil pera yan ng taong bayan, PhilHealth needs to protect and PhilHealth is obligated po, okay, to use it properly. So every time you send a document or MCC will send a document, okay, PhilHealth will try its best to do yung number 3. Ang ibig sabihin ng number 3 is post-audit. They will evaluate the efficiency. Efficiency pag-treat nyo ng pasyente. They will evaluate the appropriateness. Dapat bang gawin yan? And they will evaluate the medical necessity. Okay? Yan ho yung concept ng PhilHealth. Dahil gamit niya ang perang ng taong bayan, okay, and PhilHealth will pay for quality services na dapat nakasulat. Okay? And they will review that. So, type number 1 if naintindihan ninyo yung konsepto, may I know. Type number 2 if hindi ninyo naintindihan ang konsepto ng slide, kay uulitin ko po. May I know. Okay? So, okay. Number 1. Okay, thank you very much. So,